When I first started my YouTube channel, I was overwhelmed. Endless editing, posting, and optimizing. Then I discovered how AI could automate all of this, and it changed everything. Now I'm sharing this secret with you for free. In this free course, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to automate your entire YouTube channel using AI. Perfect for beginners who want to save time and grow faster. By the end, you'll have everything set up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. The first and most important step in starting your YouTube channel is choosing the right content. This topic will shape your niche, who watches it, and how much your channel can grow. So, how do you pick the right content? Start by thinking about what you're passionate about and what you know well. But remember, following your passion alone might not always be the best choice. It's important to choose something that works well for growth. To succeed on YouTube, you need to check if there's a demand for your content. You can use tools like vidIQ or search on YouTube to find out which topics are popular. During this research, make sure your chosen topic has a ready audience who wants to watch content on it. If you're interested in AI, you'll see that it's a niche with plenty of ongoing opportunities. Check out successful channels in your area of interest to see if there are many viewers and if there's space for new creators. Also, think about the competition. Crowded niches like tech reviews or gaming can be tough for beginners. If you pick a competitive niche, consider how you can make your channel stand out. What unique viewpoint or approach can you offer? The goal is to find a balance between what works, what people want, and the competition. Once you've found a niche that fits these points, you're ready for the next step. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your YouTube channel. I won't bore you with the details because it's as simple as ABC. Just create a Google account and head to youtube.com to sign up. The process is so straightforward that anyone can do it. Keep in mind that your channel's name is very important. It should reflect your niche and be easy to remember. If possible, include relevant keywords to help people find your channel more easily. For example, if your channel is about minimalist lifestyle tips, a name like Minimalist Living would be clear and effective. If you're still watching, stick around because the third and final step is something none of these YouTubers will share in their free or paid courses. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to be notified whenever I post valuable videos like this. Next, you'll customize your channel by adding a profile picture, such as your logo and a banner. To create a logo, we'll use Canva. Watch as I create the logo on Canva. First, log into Canva. In the top right corner, click on Create a Design. Scroll down to Logo and select it. The dimensions for the logo should be 500 by 500 pixels, which refers to the aspect ratio. Our channel name is AI Thrive. Simply type AI into the search box. Choose a logo template and tweak it to fit our needs. And just like that, our logo is ready. Next, let's create our YouTube channel banner. To get started, simply type YouTube banner into the search box and you'll find several templates to choose from. Select one that suits your style and customize it to fit your needs. After setting up the basics, make sure to fill out your channel's About section. This is where you can tell potential subscribers what your channel is all about. Be concise but informative. And don't forget to include relevant keywords to help with SEO. Finally, navigate to the settings menu and optimize your channel settings. Set your location and keywords and customize your channel layout. If desired, this is also where you can link your social media accounts and add a business email. Once you've done all this, your channel is officially up and running. Running a YouTube channel without showing your face can make it difficult to connect with your audience. However, AI avatars offer a solution to this challenge. Dupdub AI is a powerful tool that enables you to create a virtual presenter for your channel, boosting engagement and adding a personal touch to your videos. To get started, we would have to generate an image using 𝐕𝐈𝐑𝐓𝐔𝐎 AI. Use this prompt for the image generation. Create a lifelike image of a 26-year-old man sitting at a desk looking at the camera. He has spiky hair, wears glasses, and is smiling warmly. He is dressed in a blue fitted suit with a white shirt underneath, and his mouth is closed. The reason I added the phrase, "his mouth is closed," is simply to make sure his mouth is closed, because a smiling face usually has his or her teeth shining. So let's go ahead and generate the image using the prompt. Now that we are through generating our image, it's time to visit Dupdub and sign up for an account. Once logged in, click on AI Avatar, then Upload here to upload the image I generated from 𝐕𝐈𝐑𝐓𝐿 AI. Note that the link to Dupdub will be in the description, so feel free to click on the link to register. You will be given one opportunity to generate a free avatar on your first login, so upload your image and type or paste your write-up in the text box, or upload an audio file. Click on Generate, and then your avatar will be ready in just a few minutes. Let's listen to the avatar.
My name is David. I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to this channel. It's a great way to support me and motivates me to create more videos for you.
Isn't this amazing? I try to do my very best to make you understand what I teach. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please smash the subscribe button, like, and share this amazing video. The last 3 steps will blow your mind. Now that we've finished creating our avatar, we're ready to move on to the next step, which is upscaling your avatar for better quality. We'll use a video upscaler to enhance the quality of our video. As you know, I always strive to give my audience the best, so I'll be showing you a unique method to upscale your videos. The tool we'll be using is TensorPix. You can access it through the link in my description. Just click Start for free and sign up with your Google account. You will be welcomed to a beautiful interface. This AI tool allows you to enhance images, generate images, and compress videos. You are provided with 1 credit to use daily, which is sufficient to enhance your video. Click on the Video Enhance option and upload your video from your device. Once your video is uploaded, you will be taken to a page with various options to enhance your video, such as AI Dustbuster for cleaning dirt, dust, and scratches, and AI Denoise for removing different types of noise from videos. Additionally, AI Interlace, though I'm not entirely sure what this feature does, seems to help brighten the background of your video. Let us know in the comments what you think it might mean. We also have AI Slow Motion, which creates natural-looking and smooth slow-motion videos without artifacts, along with many other features. The AI Upscale feature allows you to enhance your video up to 400%. Choose the option that suits you best. Personally, I prefer the 200% upscale, which stays within the daily 1 credit limit and lets me add other features for free. Consider signing up for the premium plans to enjoy all these features, but with the daily 1 credit allowance, you can still upscale your avatar video. Click on Enhance here, and in just a few minutes, your upscaled video will be ready. Then, click on the 3 dots here to download it to your device. Now that we are done with upscaling our video, let's move to the next step. A great voiceover can enhance your videos, making them more engaging and professional, especially when combined with your AI avatar. Elevenlabs is an excellent tool for generating high-quality voiceovers, offering a wide range of voices and customization options. To get started, create an account on the Elevenlabs website using the link in my description. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to upload your script. If you haven't written your script yet, now is the perfect time to do so. Your script should be clear, concise, and aligned with the content of your video. Writing in a conversational tone is recommended, as it tends to be more engaging for viewers. After pasting your script, you'll have the option to choose from a variety of voices. Elevenlabs offers voices in different languages, accents, and tones. If your channel targets a global audience, you may want to experiment with different accents or languages. Alternatively, you can stick with a neutral, professional voice if your content is more formal, especially in English. Once you've selected a voice, you can fine-tune the output by adjusting the speed, pitch, and emphasis to ensure the voiceover sounds natural and suits your video style. For instance, a slower pace with a softer tone might work well for a meditation channel, while a faster, more energetic delivery might be better for tech reviews. When you're satisfied with the voiceover, generate the audio file and download it. You can then sync this voiceover with your AI avatar or use it in other parts of your video. Voiceovers created with Elevenlabs not only sound professional, but also save you the hassle of recording and editing audio yourself. I've made a comprehensive video on how to use Elevenlabs. Go watch it to learn more about the platform's features. Thank you for sticking with me until this point. Now it is time to finalize our video creation by compiling all we have done and created so far. In doing this, I will be using this particular video to edit and show you some of the ways I edit using CapCut. Let's go there. Trim and arrange the clips, apply animation where needed, add effects, incorporate transitions, add text and stickers, insert music and sound effects, fine-tune with keyframe animation, and then you can export when done. Starting your YouTube automation for a faceless YouTube channel can be challenging, especially for beginners. However, by following exactly what I've taught today, you can launch your channel the right way. While nothing is ever truly easy, as they say, nothing is too difficult to achieve with dedication. With commitment, you can create an outstanding faceless YouTube channel. I hope you found this helpful. Please share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel and give it a like. You'll find links to other important videos in the description. Be sure to check them out, as they could be very helpful. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.